A defining clause, as the name suggests, is the essential description that we can't leave out. Otherwise, the meaning of the sentence will be ruined. For example, the man who sold me his car cheated me. Who sold me his car is a defining clause. It helps us define the subject of our description. It is a very important description. Let's see, what happens if we leave it out? The man cheated me. Who? Which man? I don't know. What you are talking about? We didn't give a critical description of the man. Also notice that I didn't put commas before and after the defining clause. Keep that in mind. We put commas only if we have a non-defining clause. Let's see another example, shall we? Hundreds of passengers were waiting for the train that was several hours late. That was several hours late is our defining clause. It gives an important piece of information, critical description of the train. If we leave it out of the sentence, the meaning will be totally eroded. Hundreds of passengers were waiting for the train. Important information is now missing. We should put the defining clause right where it belongs. Hundreds of passengers were waiting for the train. That was several hours late. Okay, now it looks fine. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more useful videos.